This video is about two best free camera application. I've tried so many Android camera application and this two is the best on my opinion. In this video, I'm using Xiaomi Redmi Note 3 Snapdragon using Resurrection Remix ROM attached to the wireless mouse. There are two main reasons why I choose this application. First, it is because the picture quality is very good. And second, I love the manual settings feature. This application don't have much filter effects such as a camera 360, but this application offers many manual settings just like the DSLR camera, such as the manual focus, ISO, shutter speed, and others. The first application is Open Camera. This is an open source app. It has so many manual settings. I'm gonna explain just few of them. For quick settings, we can click these three little dots. We can view many settings such as flash mode, focus mode, photo resolution, etc. I'm going to talk about the manual focus. As we can see, there is no manual focus selection because we are not activated this feature yet. To activate manual focus, press settings, then click use camera to API. Just for note, not all Android phones support this feature. If you cannot find this menu or if it already activated but you cannot find the manual focus selection, then it means your phone not supported. After we activate Camera 2 API, here we can see the selection is more plenty. Beside manual focus, there are also ISO selection and HDR mode. Let's try the manual focus. Press three little dots, choose M, then we just have to slide this slider. Now we will try the HDR or High Dynamic Range mode. Press three little dots, then there are Standard mode, and Draw mode, which is Dynamic Range Optimization. Draw mode is similar to HDR, but it is faster than HDR. However, the result is not as good as HDR mode. We will talk about HDR mode later. And lastly, there is Expo, which is abbreviation of exposure bracket. In HDR mode, the camera will take several photos with different exposure level. Let's see the example. First, I'm gonna take an overexposure photo. In overexposure condition, the brightest object will look over bright. In this example, we cannot clearly see the object on the outside of the room. Here we cannot see the cloud. Now, let's try to take underexposure photo. This condition will make the darkest object look too dark. In this example, the object inside the room look too dark and we cannot clearly see it. In this kind of situation, the HDR mode will be handy. It is useful to take a picture where there's a big difference in exposure levels. Let's activate the HDR mode. For the record, if we take HDR photo using Open Camera application, it will be much slower because the application will take several photos with different exposure. It is not suitable to take a moving object. Now let's see the difference. This is HDR photo. Here we can see object inside the room quite clearly, and the cloud outside the room is in good visibility. Here is underexposure photo. Object inside the room is too dark. And this is overexposure photo. We cannot see the shape of the cloud outside the room. Open Camera also support RAW file. You can activate this feature by clicking menu, settings, photo settings, click RAW, then choose JPEG and DNG. This application also supports up to 4K video recording. The second application we will discuss is Footage Camera. This is my most favorite camera apps. It is simple to use, but the result is really good. First, let's talk about the manual focus. To activate this feature, press these three little dots, click focus, then click on the AF. It will change to MF or manual focus. What I really like is when we set the focus, the screen will be zoomed in for a close-up look of your subject. Let's see the example. We can also set the manual exposure and shutter speed. Click three little dots, then click exposure. Click at AE, then it will change to ME or manual exposure. Here we can change the shutter speed and ISO. I also really like the ability to change the autofocus and exposure differently. Let's set all to auto first. We just need to click at the object, then we can drag the focus circle and exposure circle differently. As we can see, if we drag the exposure circle to bright place, it will make the image darker. To set the focus, we just need to drag the focus circle to the desired object. To make the photo brighter, just drag the exposure circle to the darkest place or object. Usually we cannot do this in other camera application. Footage camera also support RAW file. If you want to use it, click three little dots, choose the photo icon, click RAW. This application also supports video recording up to 4K resolution. Footage camera is a free application, but there is limitation for the free version, which is we can only set the image quality in medium. If you want to buy this app, the price is really cheap. It's 50 cents only. Actually, there are several other camera applications which have a lot of manual features like these two apps. One of it is Camera FV5, but compared to others, Footage Camera is my most favorite app, and the second is Open Camera. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for more updates.